Welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at a massive shift in the mid-size luxury SUV world. Two powerful electric SUVs are entering the market, and both are bringing futuristic technology, long driving range, and premium luxury. On one side, we have the all-new electric Mercedes GLC, designed from the ground up as a fully electric SUV. And on the other side, we have the brand new BMW iX3, built on BMW's highly advanced new Class A platform. Both promise impressive performance and cutting-edge interiors. But the big question is, which one is better? Let's dive in and find out. Starting with the Mercedes GLC, the design feels both strong and modern. At the front, the first thing you notice is the illuminated grille. This grille is not just stylish, it lights up and gives the car a premium futuristic look, especially at night. The headlights are sleek and sharp, using advanced LED technology that blends perfectly into the front design. From the side, the GLC looks muscular and balanced. Strong shoulder lines and wide wheel arches give the SUV a confident and powerful stance. You also get flush door handles that pop out automatically when you unlock the vehicle. On the roof, there is a large panoramic glass panel that adds a bright and open feeling inside the cabin. At the rear, the tail lights feature a beautiful star-inspired design. When you unlock the car, the lights perform a smooth animation, making the vehicle feel modern and high-tech. Overall, the Mercedes GLC delivers a design that feels luxurious, elegant, and futuristic. Now let's look at the BMW iX3. This SUV takes a bold and futuristic approach to design. At the front, you will see the famous BMW kidney grille, but now redesigned for the electric era. These vertical kidney shapes give the SUV a strong and recognizable look. The headlights are slim and sharp, adding to the aggressive appearance. From the side, the BMW iX3 looks clean and modern. Large, smooth surfaces create a simple but powerful visual style. Just like the Mercedes, it also features flush door handles that improve aerodynamics. The wheel arches are wide and solid, giving the car a sporty character. At the rear, the tail lights stretch toward the center of the vehicle, creating a wide and stable look. The overall design of the BMW iX3 feels sporty, modern, and very futuristic. Inside the Mercedes GLC, luxury is the main focus. The dashboard flows smoothly into the center console, creating a modern and elegant look. The biggest highlight is the large digital display system. This wide screen stretches across the dashboard and gives the driver easy access to navigation, media, and vehicle controls. Ambient lighting surrounds the cabin, creating a relaxing atmosphere at night. You can even see lighting around the air vents, adding a premium touch. High quality materials are used everywhere, from the dashboard to the door panels. The seats are comfortable and supportive, making long journeys feel relaxing. Wireless charging pads are placed in the center console, making it easy to charge smartphones without cables. Overall, the Mercedes interior feels rich, advanced, and very comfortable. Moving into the BMW iX3, the interior follows a different philosophy. Instead of heavy luxury, BMW focuses on simplicity and clarity. The dashboard is clean and minimal, with fewer physical buttons. One of the most exciting features is the panoramic display system. Important driving information appears across the windshield, making it easy to see without looking down. The cabin also feels very open, thanks to large windows and a panoramic roof. The seats provide strong support and comfort, perfect for long distance driving. Storage spaces are well organized, making daily use practical. Rear passengers also enjoy generous legroom and headroom. The overall BMW interior feels modern, simple, and very driver focused. Both SUVs are designed to be practical for families and daily life. The Mercedes GLC offers generous cargo space in the rear. You can easily load luggage, groceries, or travel bags. When the rear seats are folded down, the cargo area becomes much larger, making it easy to carry bigger items. There is also a small front trunk, known as a frunk, which adds extra storage space. The BMW iX3 also offers excellent cargo capacity. Its flat loading floor makes it easy to place heavy items inside. Just like the Mercedes, folding the rear seats gives you even more room. Both vehicles provide enough space for road trips, shopping, and everyday needs. Now let's talk about performance. The BMW iX3 comes with powerful dual electric motors. These motors deliver strong acceleration, allowing the SUV to move quickly and smoothly. The battery is large and designed for long distance driving. This gives the BMW an impressive driving range, reducing the need for frequent charging stops. On the other hand, the Mercedes GLC focuses on smooth and refined performance. Its suspension system is designed to absorb road bumps and provide a comfortable ride. Even on rough roads, the vehicle stays stable and quiet. The electric motors deliver strong power, making acceleration fast and responsive. Both SUVs offer excellent range and fast charging capabilities. No matter which one you choose, long trips become easier and more convenient. So, which one should you choose? The Mercedes GLC is perfect for drivers who want luxury, comfort, and advanced technology. The BMW iX3 is ideal for those who prefer sporty design, simplicity, and strong performance. Both vehicles represent the future of electric SUVs. Now it's your turn. Which one would you choose? Mercedes or BMW? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.